one thing is I explain to a lot of people that the martial arts came by way of the inner city, and it was, it came to this country by way of GIs, soldiers who were in Korea, Okinawa, Japan, who learned the art and brought it back here, right? And so where did they teach it? Not in the suburbs. They taught it in the ghettos. You couldn't teach true martial arts anywhere else. It wasn't a business. It's a business now. You know what I mean? It wasn't a business back in the day. And we grew up seeing ghetto martial art warriors. Because, literally, you could not have a business in the suburbs and teach martial arts the way it was taught back then in Beverly Hills. No, you had to go to the projects, and every great instructor, whether it be the pioneers, the Peter Urbans, that's why he taught people that was straight up ghetto, and that was the it appealed to the real fighter, the real downtrodden, because it was developed for downtrodden people who had to fight against oppression. So, you ain't gonna teach that wasn't taught to no rich folks.
And what's so wild, I think the one thing that I get, even in one of your interviews when you talk about after a sparring class, when you had to get a bruise, you had to get a busted lip or a fractured rib, you didn't learn anything. But not just did that injury to me, not just did that injury like make you come back, so you wouldn't get hit in the rib again the next time, you might get hit in the eye the next time. But the thing it was building was character. That made us be stronger, the men that we are today. Would you agree?
Well, absolutely. There's so much. We understand the business of it and the evolution of it. But when you had to train your knuckles, when you were hit by people with trained knuckles, you had to achieve a black belt. You had to have some serious intestinal fortitude. It wasn't no cakewalk. So you had some teeth knocked out, and that was just par for the course. You didn't, at the time, you didn't have nothing else to compare it to. I remember the advent of wearing pads. It was so foreign to, who is this supposed to be? You know what I mean? Well, I condition my knuckles and my knees and my shit on a Macchiato board for a reason. You know what I mean?